Hello, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video I'll be teaching you how to create extra wallet on your Tonkeeper. Did you create a wallet and you don't know how to create more wallet on it? So what you have to do is this. The first step you have to take is to tap on the wallet name that you created, or if you have not customized it, you just have to tap on the arrow, the down arrow close to your wallet. Now you have to scroll down and tap on add wallet. So on add wallet, you just have to tap on new wallet. So enter your passcode for your Tonkeeper. Tap on enable notification. Okay, you can customize it if you want to. You just have to edit it completely and write the name you want for that particular wallet. Let me say I want this name, Clayton. So now I have customized my wallet. I just have to tap on save option, and now it has been saved. So guys, that is it on how to create new wallet or extra wallet on your Tonkeeper. If this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share, and do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.